Actually, you guys...
problems and a PACKOUT ain't one.
Well, that's true. You guys probably figured that out the last time. Okay, so I recently put this in here. This is like PLC and automation related electrical, right? You guys should know these industrial power supplies, all that good fun stuff, right? Okay, here, bear with me, right? So I've got this, but it's, I would call it electrical, right? But you see, here's the thing. I have more, right? So this is like conduit, big plugs. They use these for UPSs and generators, pipe clamps. But wait, as the Billy Mays would say, there's more. And these were just 3 that I organized right before a yard sale. But like a good point, like this is all like plastic conduit related. So Smurf tube, but then also Schedule 40 or what is it, Schedule 80 gray. And here's the thing, if it doesn't fit in there, Jen, behind you is a PACKOUT crate. Reach your hand in there and just show anything in the top. Fuse boxes and what else?
This one's...
More gray pipe, right?
Yo.
Yep, so big fittings. Big fittings. But like I said, before a yard sale, right?
Whee!
Not right. So more automation stuff, den rail, but also this is all of my car audio stuff that all needs to, and I every time I use the phrase all, I'm lying, okay? Because there's more. And a lot of people say, well, you should just keep the stuff in totes, but how many of these totes crumbled?
Too many.
Okay, so we have normal boxes. This one is sort of a hodgepodge, face plates, cord ends, right? And it just keeps going, okay? It just keeps going.
It's like Groundhog Day.
In fact, here, show the camera over here.
I can't see it through your stack of
Here,
bullshit.
let me move this one. I know for a fact that I've got this guy over here. Here, look at this one. This one's one of my better organized ones. So this has that new bin we showed you for the outlets, and then inserts, wire nuts, okay? I'm really tired, and I don't really have the time to deal with packouts right now, because I got something really important going on. But wait, don't worry. I think that's it.
I feel like you're full. I mean, I love you, and your eyes aren't. Well, they are brown. You are so full of shit. Your eyes are brown.
You're right. I have a couple low voltage ones in the house.
A couple?
And so my
A
big
couple?
question, yeah, just a couple, like one.
Yeah,
right?
okay. A couple is 2. A few is 3. I feel like you have what we would affectionately call a clouder now at this point of packouts. A clouder is what you call a group of cats. So
This is all PLA bins that failed about 8 years ago or 7 years ago when I was at Ohio Power Tool with VCG that I have not reprinted them. But I have a problem. So besides the low voltage, where are you going? Besides the, I don't have any more.
you are so full of
You're
shit.
right, I have a coffin, but I
What about
can't
this one?
shoot.
Right here. Wire.
Hobby, what?
Electric.
Okay, that one doesn't count.
Why doesn't it count? It exists.
Okay, but that's it. There's no more in
There's
here.
more over there too.
That's only 1, 2,
There's-
3, 4, 5, 6,
There's
7,
at
8.
least 2 right over
One,
there.
two-
One says electrical and one says wire spools.
Well, show me. Let me
Show
see.
you? Let me show you. Are you ready?
What are you
Ready?
talking about?
What am I talking about? These ones right here. Wire spools and electrical. 49 and 50.
Wait, I don't believe you. Hold on. Let me see.
Right there.
Okay. You know what?
What's behind here? Hardware,
That's car wash stuff.
hydrant.
Okay, fine. Whatever. I've been preoccupied. Sorry, I've got something going on this Sunday. But how many were there? 1,
Two.
2,
4.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then we have a coffin outside, the Milwaukee coffin. And here's the deal. This Saturday, right, this is a Friday video. This, well, not Saturday, but Sunday. This video is literally BS. I wanted to show you a bunch of packouts because I don't have time to do anything else. And when we did the tool bag video, that took way too much time. And we don't have that because on Sunday.
We actually need to get going, so I need you to wrap this up.
I know. Why?
Because we have a rehearsal dinner to get to.
What are we? Rehearsal dinner.
I know,
Just kidding.
right?
I'm acting, right? So we're getting married on Sunday.
Sunday fun day.
Yep, no more said. Kidding. It'll still happen. But I've got stuff like this and ones that are, you know, remodel boxes, and I've got non-remodel items and ones that are breakers and outside. And who the heck uses these anymore? Or here, how about this one? Did you know that if you want your receptacles on the left and your switch on the right, you have to buy a totally different faceplate?
You can't just turn it?
No, you can't just turn it over. That's my rule. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff, and I'm not about to dump this out before I have
25
a wedding
people in our
and
house?
go on vacation. So we have people coming over. We have stuff going on, and we're got a sort of honeymoon. And because of that, if you're watching this, hey, JakeOfALL and 3D Technologies will be open, the website, but we will not be shipping until we get back at the end of next week. So if you put in an order, please be patient with us. Also, business days. Funny fact, Monday through Friday. If there's a holiday in the middle of that week, that's not a business day, especially if it's a national holiday. Okay?
We call this federal holidays.
Federal holidays, right? But even so, holidays aside, 5 days a week, if you order on Monday and on Thursday, you're like, where's my order? It's been 7 days. That, first of all, is bad math. Second of all, is not correct. And if there's a holiday in that week. So typically, we ship stuff as it comes off the printer. We stock a lot of things, but all the custom stuff is custom. We do it right when you ask it, unless the printers are busy. And then we do it the next day, and so on and so forth. So just want to let you guys know. Put in an order. We appreciate it. We love it. You guys have been great.
I mean, they're working hard right now. They're all whirring away over there. So it's not like we're not doing it.
Right. And we might not be as
responsive
right on
now.
Social media and email because of honeymoon and wedding and things like that. But we, for at least the first part and the middle part, for the first part of the honeymoon, whatever, we'll be around long enough to get jobs going. And then we're going to sort of take the small break. And then towards the end of the week, back to work. Okay?
We're taking
Fun
literally
stuff.
like 4 days.
Fun stuff. But we're also going to take a break on this. So we're going to call this point 1, right? Or episode 1 of this one. Or
Well,
A.
it's like 1.5 because we
Right.
already did the electrical bags.
Right, but now we're doing an electrical boxes. So here's the question. First of all, below in the comments, as this one will not be a Stack Smarter one.
There's nothing to win this time.
There's
sorry.
nothing to win because I
Unless you
don't
have a super great idea.
yeah, unless you have a super great idea, but that's what I'm going to ask you for. First of all, should I split low voltage? Right? The thing about low voltage is I have, oh shoot, like.
Did you find
wait,
more?
Hold on.
We didn't even get into the drawers. I
All
want
of
to hear
the
it.
drawers with electrical. Soldering iron.
We can't see anything through this pack out that's right there.
Soldering irons, right? All that. But wait. Where is it over here? Yeah. Okay, so should I consider low voltage, keystone jacks, network, things like that, a totally separate category because I have a lot of it. But car audio, in a way, is considered low voltage. So spools, whatever, don't know. Comment below if you think we should just do it all as one big ending, right? Where I get them all out, we go through each one, I stack them up, maybe it's a 3-part. But what I also want you to do is start commenting below like great suggestions like the outlet boxes, right? Or you should put all of your outlets in deeps and then all of your wire nuts in low profiles. I would love any advice that you guys have.
Or if you've seen any cool inserts for this sort of thing too. At this point, I don't care if we don't sell them. If I could buy the STL and print it for us, we will absolutely share that information with the rest of the world.
And show the rest of you.
Right.
So we're going to use this as learning. Plus, you know, hey, we're going away. So it's, you know, twofold. We're letting you know. Chill, you know, relax on the websites. We will get you your order ASAP, and we appreciate your orders. And this is the reason why, because we're going. But also, we wanted to give you guys the opportunity, before we did the work, to comment and let us know what your opinion is. Because this is a lot of stuff, and this isn't all of it. And I'm betting I could dump it all out on the workbench for a thumbnail.
Please don't. Please don't.
It's going to take a while to sort. I have extra crates to sort, and I have like I said, stuff that overlaps, and I don't know if we should do stuff in a separate video for low voltage and networking in a car, or we should just do it all as one.
So drop your ideas, drop your comments.
Ideas below.
We're here for it.
Comment below, subscribe while you're in those little control panels and all that. And if you want to, you still have something going on the website, don't you?
It is free shipping.
Yeah.
Over if your order total after all of your discounts is at least $100, you will get free shipping in the continental United States.
We always have some kind of discount going on the site, pretty much.
Sometimes you have to look for it, but
so free shipping over 100 once your order is complete, kind of thing. Before you get to the shipping tab, if it hasn't reached 100, you're not going to get it. If you get to the shipping tab and you've spent over 100, then when it calculates shipping, it's free. So we appreciate you guys all. We appreciate you sticking around. Thanks for also joining this part of our life. And yeah, hit the comments because we'd love ideas before we actually start dumping all these on the table. So I am the Jake of all.
And I'm Jen. And we're out of here.
We're out. I gotta walk the aisle in a Makita shirt.
I'm here for it.
See ya.